Look, if you're still booking your own travel by yourself in 2026, you're probably leaving money, time, and experiences on the table.
And not just a little, we're talking about overpaying, wasting time, and making mistakes that can ruin a trip before it even starts.
So to help you, we're going to give you 5 reasons smart travelers aren't doing it alone anymore. Reason number 1. The biggest mistake we see people make when booking their own travel is they think Google or AI is enough.
Yeah, and although they can give you really great options, a travel advisor gives you answers based on the real experience.
Absolutely. Because we know by either actually being in that hotel or we have friends that have been in that hotel because we travel so much. We know which side of the building you should pick for the best views. We know which room you should pick so that you have the easiest access to wherever you're trying to go or what's happening in that hotel, whether it's a rooftop or the elevators you want to sleep, don't want to sleep near, and all that stuff. And it's because we've researched and put our time in it and going off of what we know instead of trying to interpret, what Google or AI is telling you.
Right.
Reason number 2.
A lot of people think booking themselves saves money.
Yeah. But does it? Does it really? Does it really save money? It just gives you control. We get that.
Yeah.
We like to be in control of things. But we do also understand that sometimes control costs you more.
Right. We see it all the time. It's the same trip, the same destination, completely different experiences based on how it was booked.
Yeah. All right, reason number 3. Most people aren't planning trips. They're guessing their way through them and losing the one thing we can't get back.
What's
None
that?
of us.
Yeah. Which in guessing leads to stress, bad timing, long lines, missed experiences, and even costly mistakes.
Everybody knows the saying now, you don't know what you don't know.
Right.
A good travel advisor builds a trip that actually flows. And that's the difference between hoping your trip works and knowing it will.
Right.
And honestly, that's exactly what we do.
Yep. We're Jones Getaways by Dream Vacations, and for the past 7 years, we've helped people plan everything from cruises to international trips to bucket list experiences.
And if you're even thinking about travel, don't guess your way through it. Reach out to us.
We'll help you do it the right way the first time and avoid the mistakes we've already seen.
All of our information is in the description. I'm talking our website, our email address, everything. We'll walk you through it step by step. And let me say this too. Because we're starting to see this a lot more in 2026, even on the news.
That's right. Some people will use a travel advisor to build the entire trip, take that plan, and then go book it themselves.
And look, obviously you could do that. But what you're really doing is walking away from the value that comes with the travel advisor.
Right. Can't stress that enough, the value that you get, because it's not just about the plan. It's about the support, the relationships, and having someone in your corner if something goes wrong.
Right. If you trust someone enough to plan your experience.
Trust them enough to book it too.
Reason number 4. This is one that we also have found that people don't really think about. What happens when something goes wrong? Who do you call? Who do you call that's actually going to answer and talk to you and not leave you on hold for 38 minutes?
Right. That has the actual answers. Because when you book it yourself, you're the fixer. You're dealing with long hold times, transfers, and the frustration of it all.
Yep. We're talking delays. We're talking cancellations, misconnections. That's where a travel advisor becomes real and oh so valuable. We always talk about that value.
Right.
Because I remember that time there was a client, they were flying in the air internationally, and they had a connection internationally. But while they were flying, their flight was canceled. And because they had worked with the travel advisor,
Yep. Travel
we
advisor.
were able to call and rebook them before they landed, and then made sure that they got the information from us through a text and email, WhatsApp, and their regular phone number, so that they knew getting off the plane, all they had to do was go to the right gate to get on the plane, the new flight, and then go.
Right.
Reason number 5, a trip is just a booking. An experience is intentional. And that's the difference.
Yeah. We don't just book when you're where you're going. We help shape how you feel when you get there.
I don't think people really understand. Travel advisors love to travel, but we don't love traveling all the time.
Right. But we do it so that we can make sure we have that research behind us and that experience, because you don't really want to invest your hard-earned money and time into people that really don't know what they're talking about and don't know how to research to get the answers to whatever questions the clients may have. So I think us traveling around, is just expanding on our experience and our long list of places that we've gone to and places that we want to go. So we also do those research. We also research those areas as well.
We told you we were going to give you 5 examples, and we gave you 5 reasons. Thank you for joining us.
Travel isn't just about getting away. It's about experiencing something that stays with you. And for us, helping people create those moments, that's personal. So whether it's your first trip or your next big one, we love to be a part of it.